Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. I know it's been quite some time since I last got a chance to upload a video here, but after the delay, once again I've come up with a great opportunity for you people. And in this video, I'm going to go through a developer community event that is being organized by Google. And there are a lot of learning opportunities for different technologies, tools, as well as for applying to jobs in top companies, getting referred, gaining certificates, goodies, swags. So I'll try to take you through the entire process of registering for this event, and will also cover all the details of everything that you can gain out of this event. So let's just directly move on to the video. So the event that I'm talking about that we'll be covering in this video is called DevFest India. DevFest is the event that is organized by Google every year, and it's a developer community event where you get to interact with a lot of senior developers from different backgrounds, and you get to be a part of tracks, learning tracks for different domains, including artificial intelligence, Android development, web development. And most of these details you will be able to find directly on their official website itself, which is called DevFest India. So let me just directly go to the website, devfestindia.com. And this is what the homepage is going to look like. So let me quickly cover most things that are beneficial to you as part of DevFest 2021. 2021 is basically this year's iteration for DevFest. It's India's largest developer event of 2021. And you can read about it that this is a developers fest organized by GDG, which is Google Developer Groups. And it's going to take place from 22nd to the 24th of October, which is for 3 days. And the event is going to be held basically as a webinar and events live on YouTube. But to access this YouTube live, you will require registration and tickets for the event. So that's the process that we are going to go through. And basically everything that's part of the event is going to be held for 3 days. We'll have more than 15 sessions and 50 communities. It will have hands-on sessions for learning purposes, lab purposes. Then there will be a roadmap for developers, panel discussions. So your panelists will be experts from different domains, different fields. You will get networking opportunities, job opportunities as well. So you can connect through recruiters with your requirements if your skill matches the particular position. You will of course be given certifications for whichever event you're taking part in. There will be well-being sessions for mental well-being as well. There are basically different tracks that you can attend, and all of these will be communicated to you once you register for the event. And of course, you'll get tons of swags and goodies, but this is not probably only for participation. There will be a lot of competitions held, quizzes held during the event. So for all the winners, you'll be getting a lot of swags, goodies as well. And you'll have icebreaker activities, a lot of things. You can just read through this. DevFest is an annual conference hosted every year by Google developer groups across India. And basically GDG groups from all different cities of India are amongst the organizing committee members as well as the ones who take part in this event. So what is DevFest? What are GDGs? If you are new to Google developer groups, who all can register for this event? Basically everyone who's fond of learning technology, programming, and if not already experienced, then who's wanting to explore these fields. And you'll have a DevFest profile. Basically, I'll come to this. And how do you create your profile? So you will also have badges for whichever task that you're done with, and you can share them on your social media, LinkedIn, wherever. And you can of course join the community as well. So this is basically the gist of the event. Now let's move on to the actual registration process. How can you register for this event? So basically when you go to this tab, the registration tab, it's going to ask you to either sign in with your already existing Google account, or if you do not have a Google account, then you can create an account using a new email credential, and you can sign up using that. So let's say you already have an account, and most of us already have a Google account. So when you click on this link, it's going to make you fill a form, and the form will consist of your name, your location, city, and if you already work in any corporate organization, then your position, your role, and the organization name. If not, then you can skip that field. And whether it's your first GDG event, are you already a member of any GDG group for any city, or if it's your first event, then you can just fill not applicable accordingly. It's going to just be a short form, and then it's going to ask you for the different networking sessions that you would want to be a part of for this event. You can select either some of those or all of those according to you. And that's pretty much it. And you can just go on and submit that form. It's going to be a short form. I have already done that process, so it's not going to allow me to go through that again. But after that, once you sign in, so for example, if I click on sign in, it's going to directly get you to this point, which is you have already submitted this form, and thank you for registering for the event. And after this, you're going to receive a mail from DevFest India on your email ID, basically whichever account you use to sign in to this registration process. And this is the sender who's going to send you an email just confirming your registration for this process. So that's pretty much it. After this, you can go on and create your DevFest profile. You can generate different badges for your profile. So for example, if I create a profile, right now it's not going to show anything. It's probably how your profile is going to look like when you first log in. Then you can add, for example, if you've done some community work or some open source contributions, whatever, you can add your projects, everything about your project, name, description, which technologies you used, your GitHub link or live demo URL. If you've hosted it somewhere on a server, you can share every detail about your project. This is going to help you when you'll be networking with different people and recruiters for applying to different jobs. Then you have these badges as well, which is basically just for fun. If you want, you can share them on your social media, not much to add. Then this is also basically the same thing with this banner as a badge. You can create any picture, you can upload your picture here, and it's going to give you different frames which you can use for the badge just to share on your social media. Now communities is basically every GDG community across India in different cities. So there are a lot of chapters all over India, and all of them work together for this event, to host this event. So if you want, you can join them as well. This is basically a map of all the cities where GDG groups are currently working at. And these are the partner communities for this event. So you can see a lot of big names as well, from Flutter groups, JavaScript, then coding blogs, Angel Hack, then CNCF, which is Cloud Native Foundation, Laravel. So a lot of these emerging technologies all are part of the communities that GDG works with. And then we have our partner organizations and companies which are actively hiring through this event as well. So we partner with top companies to help our community members find different jobs, and you can search for a job role that's best applicable for your profile and you can apply as well. So currently there are these company names which are shown off as part of this iteration of DevFest, and this page may even get updated sometime later before the event with more company names. So you have all these companies recruiting, actively hiring through this event: Bajaj Finserv, Hashnode, Google Cloud, then VMware as well, which is where I'm currently at. So you can keep your profile, your resume updated, and once you get an opportunity to apply through this event and get a chance to interact with the recruiters, this might definitely be very, very beneficial to you. After this, if you have some frequently asked question, you can just go through this last tab about what is DevFest, what is a GDG group, then who can register for DevFest, what's a profile, the profile that I just created. So it's basically your unique identity as part of a candidate who's attending the DevFest event. Then how do you create your profile? Is it mandatory to register to participate in the event? And a question which a lot of you might have: if you are a beginner, can you still participate in these events? So definitely you can. There will be sessions which are focusing especially on beginners, curated for them. What are the attendees going to get? So you'll have a lot of perks, goodies, swags waiting for you once you attend this event. And basically that's pretty much it. If you want to reach out, you can reach out to this email ID. And there will be people helping you out with any queries that you have. And that's pretty much it about the entire event, DevFest India 2021. If there is any other doubt you have, you can post them down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I answer all of those. So the registration process I've already shown you, and after this you will be contacted through your email ID. And for all the events, for all the different schedules, for different tracks, learning tracks of different domains which you want to take part in, you'll get all that information through your email contact directly. So that's all about DevFest 2021. Just wanted to share this great opportunity with you guys. And what I personally recommend is, don't just do it for the swags and goodies. Do it for the interaction and the networking opportunities that you'll get, for the recruitment opportunities that you'll be getting from all of these companies, and also for the learning through these events, which is the different tracks for machine learning, data science, analytics, Android development, whatever you're interested in. Also about the registration link, I've already mentioned devfestindia.com. You can go to the website and this page will come up. But if you want, I'll also be attaching the registration link directly in the description section of the video. So you can directly use that to come to this page from where you just have to fill the form and get yourself registered for DevFest India. So either go to the website directly as I just showed you, otherwise just use that link to directly register for the event as well. So yeah, make the most of this event. This is of course everything completely for free. No hidden charges, nothing at all. This is a developer community event by Google. And some of the sessions as part of this event, even the well-being sessions, are specially curated and are newly being introduced in this iteration. This is the second time this is being held online, and those sessions are really going to be very, very beneficial to you guys, apart from, of course, the technical sessions as well. So do give it a chance. If you haven't registered, you can register till 22nd October, which is the first day of this event going live on YouTube, and you'll be given the YouTube live links and all of that on your email ID. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to share this opportunity with you guys, and I'll soon be coming up with more videos as well, and we'll try to be more frequent and consistent with the uploading frequency. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Do share and let me know about what are you looking forward to most in this event, which particular webinars or YouTube live lectures are you most excited about. And thank you so much for watching this one. I'll keep on sharing more such opportunities and events in the coming few videos as well, and hope to be much more frequent and consistent with the uploading frequency. So yeah, see you again in the next one.